Ako si Juanito Madros.
Ako si Sarah Danding, isa sa kasal sa Kasalan ng Bayan sa Patag.
Love is often described as a feeling beyond words, an unspoken connection between two souls. But for Sarah and Juanito Madros, love is something even more profound. It is something they have never seen but have always felt. Both visually impaired, Sarah and Juanito were among the couples wed in Mayor Clarix Uy's Kasalan ng Bayan last January 25, 2025 in Barangay Patag. Their story began during the pandemic in 2020 when a mutual friend introduced them through the exchange of phone numbers. At that time, both had already built lives of their own, raising children and overcoming challenges in a world that often fails to see beyond disabilities.
Ang lugyan ko na gusto Ginoo ba makabaton ko or kanang makakita yung og babae nga para sa kuha. So bisan unsa or si kinsa man siya, pero mo na nga karon niabot niya ning nga time na naghiusa ni gidmit.
Despite never laying eyes on each other, they recognized something deeper. Someone who understood, someone who listened, someone who simply felt like the one.
Daghan gyud kayong salamat labi na sa atong halamdong Mayor Clarix Uy.
I-grab na nila ang opportunity na samtang napa si Mayor makahatag sa ila og libreng kasal.
Ako sa tanan nga nagplano or sa mga couple nga kuan. So ato na ni paimusa kandidayon nga gihatag sa kaygayonan sa atong halandong Mayor Clarix Uy kay aron paghiwas na gyud aron makabaton tao atong kaugaling matawag natong pamilya gyud
Sa pagigugma
kauban taoy.
Sarah and Juanito's love story is not one found through sight, but through faith and trust, proving the heart knows what the eyes cannot see.